Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm CHRD from Crystal Spiders Institute. So today, guys, we are going to solve that issue. So when we are connected to database and executing SQL queries, you can see this error message. The operating system returned error 21. The device is not ready. Let me zoom out it here. So this is the error message, guys. We can see to SQL Server during a read at offset. So, and this file is not ready at. So this error message will come, guys, when the SQL Server instance started before the disk is ready. So how we can solve this error message? So we have to restart that SQL Server service. So that's it, guys. So let's see that now. I'm going to right click on that server and restart. Either we can restart that SQL Server service from here, or else we can go to the services. So this is my services window, and scroll down all the way to go down, and I can see SQL Server Dev 22. This is the server right now I'm accessing, and right click and say restart the service. Either we can do it from here or we can do it directly from here. So I'm going to restart this service, say yes, and again click yes. So restart is in progress. Once restart is done, guys, so now you can simply connect back again, disconnect and connect back to the server. And here you can start execute that code. So now you can see there is no more error and it is showing query executed successfully. That's it, guys. Thanks.